Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In this video we are going to learn how to share the web page link or the website link using the Chrome app on your Android. So say suppose this is the website or the page link that I want to share. What I can do is I can tap on this three dot option, and here you can see this share command. You can just tap on it and it will display the sharing panel where you can choose to copy the link and send it, or you can choose from the available apps. For example, right now I have Gmail app, OneDrive and messaging and all of the options where I can choose that particular application and send it person or a group using that particular application. Now to use this copy command where I can copy and share this link to any person using any app. So in this way you can share externally to any user using your Chrome app on your Android. If this helps, let me know. If you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.